tornado warning is in effect for all of the United States. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government in conjunction with the National Weather Service. This is not a test. A colorful tornado warning has been issued nationwide. The following colors with the tornado are imminent: red, orange, yellow, yellowish green, light green, green, sky blue, blue, indigo, purple, violet, pink, and brown. All residents are advised to get inside a black and white basement. If you could hide in a cartoon, that will do the trick. The United States will be destroyed in colors. This is a life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter.